Well, look at what we have here, a Rolls Royce. You know, I've never been to a city where I have seen as many Rolls Royces as I have seen in Hanoi. When you hear that only 6,000 Rolls Royce are made each year for the entire world, this is significant. It takes 2,000 skilled workers to build each Rolls Royce, 350 man hours, 2 months to build each Rolls Royce by hand. 65% of all Rolls Royce ever built in history are still on the road. Last year, Royce opened up a showroom in Ho Chi Minh City, something they do after careful consideration of a number of factors, which tells you something about the future of Vietnam. It is estimated that about 100 Rolls Royce have sold in Vietnam at an average cost of $2.2 million. Something very interesting about Rolls Royce, the wheel icon. That wheel icon there is mounted on a gyroscope so that it faces forward at all times, even when the wheel is turning. And here we have the legendary hood ornament, the spirit of ecstasy. It is modeled after Eleanor Thornton, who was the secretary and the secret lover of Rolls Royce. Eleanor Thornton met an early death. She died young while crossing the ocean on an ocean liner when a German U-boat sank her ship in 1915 at the beginning of World War I. Rolls Royce, of course, is considered the pinnacle super luxury brand perhaps in all history.